AutoGather AI is one of the latest and most exciting AI tools on the market right now, and in this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're considering using AutoGather AI or simply curious about it, stick around to find out whether it's the right fit for your needs. First off, AutoGather AI is a game changer for anyone looking to automate data gathering, organize information, and integrate AI into their workflows seamlessly. It's a software designed to save you a lot of time, but to get the most out of it, you need to understand how it works. The first thing you should know is that AutoGather AI is incredibly user-friendly, even if you're not a tech expert. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or even project management, the intuitive interface lets you hit the ground running. You don't need to spend hours learning how to navigate the tool because it's built with simplicity in mind. Second, AutoGather AI uses cutting-edge natural language processing, which means it can understand and extract information from various sources like documents, websites, and social media. Imagine being able to gather important data from hundreds of articles or social media posts in just minutes. That's what makes AutoGather AI such a standout tool. It automates a process that would otherwise take hours or even days. Another great feature of AutoGather AI is its customizable reporting. Not only can it gather data, but it also helps you organize it into actionable reports that are easy to understand. Whether you're running a campaign or managing a project, being able to have all your gathered data in one place with organized reports is a huge productivity booster. Now, while this software is great for automating data gathering, it's also very powerful when it comes to integrating with other tools you may already use. AutoGather AI connects effortlessly with CRM systems, project management platforms, and analytics tools. This means you can streamline your operations without disrupting your existing processes. If you're wondering about the learning curve, don't worry. AutoGather AI offers quick tutorials, and its support is responsive and helpful. Whether you're struggling with an integration or need help troubleshooting, you can count on their customer service team to get you back on track quickly. The fifth thing to note is that AutoGather AI isn't just for businesses. Freelancers, small businesses, and even students can make use of its capabilities. It's designed to handle both high-volume and low-scale tasks, making it an adaptable solution for a wide range of users. It's also important to point out that AutoGather AI prioritizes privacy and security. You can rest assured that your data is safe with end-to-end encryption, and the platform ensures that personal or sensitive information is not misused. In today's digital age, this level of security is crucial, especially if you're working with client data. Lastly, AutoGather AI offers a free trial for new users, and you can get started without committing to a subscription. If you're not sure if it's right for you, trying it out for free is a no-brainer. I'd recommend you check out the first link in the description below to try it for yourself. In conclusion, AutoGather AI is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to automate data collection and improve productivity. Whether you're new to AI or an experienced digital marketer, this software will help you save time and make more informed decisions. I've personally tried thousands of AI tools, and after reviewing AutoGather AI, I can confidently say it's one of the most effective tools I've come across. If you want to explore other AI tools I recommend, I've included links to some of my favorites in the description below. Check them out and see which one works best for your needs. Thanks for watching.